Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani, and today we will be stuffing my Save 2024 in 2024 Savings Challenge. But I know it's 2025, but we'll get into the details. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. So, today is Friday when I'm filming this. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well and your weekend is off to a great start. Happy Friday. I am picking back up with this challenge today, and I know it says save $2,024 in 2024, but I did start this in 2024 and I plan on finishing this challenge. So we're going to pick up right where we left off. This challenge is from Nita at the Almost Organized Owl. She does have a 2025 challenge as well for both a regular challenge is similar to this one, and then she has a low income challenge. So please go check her out. I'll leave all of the details below so you can start saving for 2025. But today we're going to be stuffing $200. That's what we have to work with. And I just noticed that these are $1,000. So let me go ahead and change this out. I wish it was $2,000. Okay, so we have $200 here, and they're a little bit bent because they were folded previously, but I'm just going to use what I have currently. And we are going to go ahead and color in $200. I need my calculator, which I also forgot. So we have $200. And the last time I did this challenge was back in November when I transferred $200, and that put me at $1,100. And by the way, this challenge is going to be used to build up our emergency fund. So right now, the challenge or the account has $1,107 in it, or $1,107. $7.86 is from interest that's just been sitting. So $1,100 should be about what we have colored in already if everything went according to plan. By stuffing $200, what I mean is I will transfer $200 to this savings account, but we're going to go ahead and color it in, and we use prop money to represent what's in the bank. So let's go ahead and see what we can color in.
200. Okay.
All right, so what we can do is color in everything here minus the 18. So let me go ahead and mark that off. And let's just use this marker. So we're going to color everything but not the 18. And then we need to find an 8. So that'll be $200. Let me just double check. So that is correct. So we need to color in everything except the 18, and then we're going to color in the 8. So let's go ahead and get started. Oops. Okay, so I almost colored in the 18, but I forgot that quick. So next time we're going to start with the 18 and then see where we go from there. But let's go ahead and add the $200 bills here. Okay. So we are all set, and then we have these scratch offs at the top, and I'm excited to see what those are. But I also wanted to do a check-in because we are in the middle of the month. So I have been also on a fitness, wellness, health journey, because as we all know, health is wealth. So I wanted to show you my fitness planner that I got for 2025, and I got it from Amazon. So basically, it shows you can put your starting results, your measurements and everything, your before and after picture, goals, and then you can put any item that you want to track here, and you can break it up into weeks, up to 52 weeks. And then it has a calendar. So for this month, I'm doing a program using Body, which is like the app that you use on your computer or your television. And so far, my goal for this month is to lose 5 pounds and then to work out 5 days per week and have 2 rest days and then complete 10 rounds. So that is the name of the boxing program that I'm doing. I love boxing. I've done this program a few times before, but I have to get started back up, getting more regularly with working out again. And now that it's sometimes warm, sometimes not, I do go walking outside. But I just wanted to show you for the first 2 weeks of January, the first 2 full weeks, I have done so well. So I put stars to the days that I actually work out. And then my 2 rest days for the first week I did have. And then for this week, so far I'm on track. I've walked. So far I have had 4 days of the workout, and then 1 day, instead of a rest day, I decided to go walking. And so we are here on the 17th, and I will be going walking after this video. And then on the 18th, I will do the last workout for the rotation of the week. So this will hopefully allow me to have a full 7 days of doing some type of physical activity. I couldn't be more excited about just this whole fitness journey and just getting back into the groove of things. And my goal is to lose 50 pounds by the end of the year, but as close of a goal as I can get, I'll be happy with, and then I'll just keep working. So that's where we are with this. And if you are on a weight loss journey or a health journey, then let me know down below. I'd like to cheer you on as well. But I wanted to do a goals check-in for the mid-month so that I can stay on track. And then at the end of January, we'll see if I was able to reach my goals. So that is it for today. I cash stuffed $200 into the Save 2024 Savings Challenge. And I am definitely excited to finish this in 2025. So once again, this goes to building up our emergency fund. And then we will be moving on to something new that will also help us build and continue to grow our emergency savings, because as we all know, they are so important. But anyway, I'm going to get off so I can get started with my whole walking routine. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Be blessed, be safe, take care, and let's knock out these goals for 2025. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.